subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to understand hexadecimal number system. In our previous videos we have covered what is meant by decimal number system, what are binary number system, what is a octal number system. So all these concepts were clearly covered in our previous videos. So if you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here, because the understanding of those number system will help you a lot in understanding hexadecimal number system also, because all of the number systems are very much similar to each other, and every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have deeper insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to this class, what is an hexadecimal number system? It is similar to that of all the previous number systems that we have seen so far. The hexadecimal number system is a positional weighted system with 16 unique symbols, whereas in decimal number system we have 10 unique symbols, and in binary number system we have 2 unique symbols, and in octal number system we have 8 unique symbols. In the hexadecimal number system we have 16 unique symbols. If there are 16 unique symbols, means the base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is going to be 16, because a number in the hexadecimal number system is based upon the 16 unique symbols. So you take any number in the hexadecimal number system, it is going to have any of the 16 unique symbols. So the base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is 16, and the unique symbols that are used in the hexadecimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So what this A, B, C, D, E, F are? In order to bring the uniqueness, why can't they use 10 for A? For example, so the 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13, 14 and 15. Why can't we use 10 in the place of A? If we use 10, you will get confused whether it is, if you try to understand them separately, you may get separated, it is 1, 0 or it is 10. Individually, if you take it is 1 and 0, if you consider it as individually, then you will get confused whether it is 1, 0 or 10. In order to bring the distinction between the digits, we have used the unique symbols like A, B, C, D, E, F for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, and the hexadecimal number system is also a positional weighted system. What does a positional weighted system means? It means that a digit in the value of a digit in the hexadecimal number system is going to vary. The value of the digit in the hexadecimal number system is going to vary from one number to another number, and that variation is based upon its position. For example, if you consider a number called A in hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal number system is represented with a base of 16. If you consider A in hexadecimal number system, all these are same symbols, but the value of this A is different from the value of this A, and the value of this A is different from all the remaining 3 A's. So every A is different with respect to the values. On what basis they are different? They are varying based upon their position. So based upon their position, the value or the weight of the digit is going to vary. So for example, if you take the positions, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0th position, first position and second position. And what is the value of each and every digit? If you consider the value of this A, it is 10. How to find the positional weight of a digit in the given number system? How to find the positional weight? It is number, A means 10, into base power position. So what is the value of this A here? This A's value is 10 into 1, this A's value is 10. Similarly, what is the value of this A? The value of this A is 10 into base to the power of position. 10 means its value. Okay, so A means 10. 10 into 16 power 1, it is 160. Similarly, if you take this, it is 10 into 16 square. 16 square is 256. 256 into 10 is 2560. So that is the meaning of positional weighted system. So the hexadecimal number system is positional weighted system. Based upon the position of a digit in the number, its value will vary. Okay, so this is all about hexadecimal number system. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.